So yes, my people, welcome to the channel. I don't know, say, are the herbsman is for Jamaica. The real herbsman and bushman, the man that can cure anything when you want. So I'm going to reach out to him. So tell him what you have on the rotten boss.
Yeah, greetings to the world, man. Frederick Harvey, some man, this ain't call me half a man, but I know nothing that.
Yeah,
see,
man.
The natural herb they have for healing of the nation, okay? We have the vervine and we have the nickel and dandelion over here, and plus we have the moringa, we have medina, we have anato, and we have pimenta powder same way. Yeah, we have busy, the greater one, the powder one, anyone you choose. We have nutmeg, maize same way. Yes, man. And remember me tell you, the ram goat dash along did it too. Lick out every cold and fever and all them something out of your joints, you know, and bring you back on foot. Right.
So yeah, man, so I don't hear what the man has say. So how they can reach out to you, my boss?
Yeah, 597-1969. Anytime you want to call me, but if you catch me on WhatsApp, me did the same way. If you not catch me on WhatsApp, me did the same way.
Tell them again one more time.
597-1969. Don't be afraid to call me.
Yeah,
okay?
man, so you need to call a Virginia because a lot of people out there suffer with some ailment
man,
and things. So you need to call him, Zin.
Right.
So no respect, and just shout him up on a number there or WhatsApp him. Man has no respect.
Just left a message if you even not get me on WhatsApp same way. Me will link you back. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Great.